Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix invalid destination address on Realme 16. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After turn on or turn off flight mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on turn off flight mode and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search messages app from here. Click on messages app. After click on messages app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone. Click on reset network settings. Enter your phone pin. After enter phone pin, click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix invalid destination address on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.